What you doing, Austin?
I'm cutting.
Is this your first day cutting?
No.
Have you ever used those scissors before?
Yes.
I don't remember that.
Well, I do.
You're doing a really good job of cutting. What'd you think about that, Jackson? You're the clean one for once. You're eating pizza. That's amazing. And we have the Weather Channel on all day. So we have a tropical storm. Debbie. Just to the east, it looks like. Are we having a fun tropical storm party? Yeah, we are. Can anybody say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy did.
Bye-bye.
Can anybody else say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye. Jackson, can you say, yeah, Jackson, say bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
He's doing it with his hand like that. Jackson,
He can do sign language.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You both got your shark shirts on, huh? Bye-bye. He said it. Bye-bye.
They need to say bye. That's how he did.
Bye-bye.
That's how he did. Bye.